NewBQ.
Alright, so welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. This is going to be my first unboxing video. I've never done one, so let's see how it goes. I got something in the back of that truck right there. That's going to be an awesome new addition to the back porch. And we're going to get it out somehow or another. I'm going to try to do it by myself. It took 4 of us to get this thing in here, but I'm going to try to get it out by myself. So let's see how well this goes.
I got that. Spider-Man, I'm gonna put the new glue together.
Oh my god.
I want this.
Oh my god. Hey, you gotta move.
Oh no.
I gotta move.
That's heavy.
Yeah, it is. Stand back.
Oh, sure the back is stuck up.
Look at this.
What the heck? Woo. We gotta put this together.
Yep. Alright, let's get this bad mamma jamma open. This is the Oklahoma Joe's Rider 900 DLX, which I think is, this side's probably in Spanish, but whatever. Just what I like to see. Screws. Awesome. Instructions. Cool.
Yeah.
Wheels. Big old cast iron wheels. There's a bucket.
Why do you need a bucket?
There's a bucket. Bucket.
Why do you need a bucket?
Hold all the pellets.
Okay.
Oh, big old plate. That thing's heavy. Jeez. Got that bucket down. Oh man, there's a metal arm. Look at that. Ain't she beautiful? Ain't she beautiful? I think we should cut the box open. Look at that, man, jamma. Oh yeah, got a little
That's cool.
dust on her there. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, now we get to assemble it. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Now!
How about we gotta get this up?
Yeah, we gotta figure out how to lay it back over and put the wheels on it and set it up.
What is this cut this way?
We might have to.
No, I can hear it now. Get the old stuff out. What that looks like a little cup for? What the heck? What's that hole for?
Put smoke. The ball we got going. Whoa. There's these parts. Little box in here. Look at this, Jackson.
Oh,
Oh man.
that little.
Box of stuff. Here's some legs. Here's some legs.
That's heavy.
I think it's just, oh, there's some shelf or something. Oh my gosh, let's take that piece out. Piece out. Woo, more legs. Is that trash? Woo, trash. Is that one there? Oh my god, I don't know what this is. Okay, ready? I'm gonna roll it backwards, maybe. Alright, so now I got all the wheels on, but I gotta stand it up, and I'm not sure I can do that by myself. But give it a shot. Oh my god. Oh. so got her stood up. I'm gonna put a handle on it. I'm gonna put the insides together. We gotta put all these levers and stuff in. Put the unit back on here. This is all gonna be bolted on. So let's get going. All right, so I got this bar put on, that rack put on that side, and this bottom piece put on. And make sure you use your bolts and washers correctly. I did find that out. Now I'm gonna put the smokestacks on. We still gotta put the rest of the inner stuff on. So doing that next. All right, so following directions is key. I'm not very good at following directions. I'm a man. But these things do not go on the outside. These go on the inside. So make sure you do that. I just did it wrong. Oh yeah. So follow instructions. I'm a guy. I don't like to follow instructions. So follow instructions. Because a few things I did backwards. One being this plate. I put the legs on and tipped it up and started putting everything together, and then I forgot about this whole plate down here. That's a pain in the butt to do once it's standing up. Two, make sure when you screw this bar down, you put these things on first. These little silver deals, these little, like your utensil hooks. You want to put them on first because you can't put them on once it's screwed down. You have to take it back apart like I did. What was the other thing? Or something else. I can't remember. I don't remember what the other thing was. But yes, if you don't want to, oh yeah, make sure that these things in here, these vents, your back vents back here, those things, make sure that those go in from the bottom side, not the top side. So I think that's it. I think that's all I gotta do to put this together. I'm gonna wheel her outside. Oh, this thing, I gotta go get a heat gun or a hair dryer or something because it's just peeling. I was kind of aware of that when I bought this, that they had this problem with this sticker. Apparently I got one of the first versions of the sticker, not the second version, but whatever. Gonna heat it up and we'll scrape that off, and then we'll go outside and get her started. Sound like a plan? Alright, so looks good, I think. I think it looks great right there. Honestly, assembly wise it was very easy. Unboxing was very easy. Easy. Anyway, everything was pretty easy to do. I would suggest if you can get it assembled already, it's probably the best thing for you. But I like to do things, you know, on my own, be a man, you know, that kind of thing. The biggest problem is make sure you read your instructions, because I don't like to read instructions because I'm that kind of guy. But read your instructions, make sure you put it together right. The sticker on the inside, hopefully you get one that's not as bad as what mine was. But I'm gonna get this thing heated up. Probably have to go get some glue on before I do any of that, but try to get that glue cleaned off. But anyway, that's it for this video. I like it, I love it. I hope to show you some more of it. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling, and we'll get this sucker fired up. Peace out.